Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I have a short little video for you guys, just sharing with you some Trader Joe's plant finds that I got. Again, if you don't know, I've been doing these videos for a long time now. I go to Trader Joe's a lot, and specifically for their plants. I did pick up 3 plants the other day and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I am also going to go get some more of these because my mom wants some now. She really likes them and I kind of don't want to give up any of mine, so I'm gonna go get some more. But without further ado, let me show you guys what I got. So this is what it looks like. It's a little pumpkin planter. It's a ceramic pot with like gold detailing on it, and the plants do come in nursery pots as always. That's how Trader Joe's does it. Wow, I just noticed that this one has a ton of roots that it should probably be replanted into a bigger pot soon. But this is a heartleaf philodendron and it's very small, but I will share with you guys. I already have a heartleaf philodendron and it's a lot bigger than this. I'll share with you guys mine, but I'm so excited to have this one just because of how cute the little baby pot is. And I know that these grow so fast. They're so beautiful that having 2 in my apartment honestly would be great because they're beautiful decor pieces. They grow so lovely and they trail so beautifully. So I'm very happy to have this one. And I just actually had to search pretty hard for mine. Like I couldn't find it in any nursery. Now I see them everywhere, of course, but when I did want one, I couldn't find it. But I picked that one up and a lemon lime philodendron, and then I also picked up a Brazil philodendron all at once. So it was actually really cool that I was able to do that. This one has a ton of new growth and it's just very healthy, doing very, very well. The roots look amazing. So very happy. Look at that big leaf for how like small this baby plant is. So cute. Also, I don't know if you guys like do a lot of Instagramming and stuff, but I do. And there's this website or like, I guess, I don't know, I found them from Instagram, but they're called baby plants and they sell plants like that size or even smaller, and they're so cute. They have the most amazing and some even rare plants, and they're very, very cheap. But the thing is, it's only UK, I believe. Like they don't ship to the US because I did try to place an order. So that's kind of a bummer. Somebody in the US should create that because that is such a cute company idea, just to sell baby plants, and they look so cute and they're so fun to watch them grow, you know? So someone needs to create that for us. So the next 2 are similar. Obviously they're in the same pots, but they are both ficus elasticas, and I already have these plants. I know, don't come at me, but I really wanted them. This one I will share with you guys. This one is either a ruby or Tanaki, I'm not sure, but I just wanted to share with you guys what attracted me to it. My ficus elastica ruby only has 2 stalks, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5. Like there's so many stalks to this, so I wonder how it's gonna grow because they do get very big and full. Again, I will share with you guys my ficus elastica, what it looks like, but mine is pretty large, I would say, and I got it at Trader Joe's as well not too long ago. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how this one grows, but I think my mom wants this one, so I'll give it to her if I can find myself another one. I was just so impressed with how many stalks there were. One sad thing about Trader Joe's is I didn't pick up the ficus elastica burgundy, and I really wanted that one, but now they don't have it anymore, so I found a mini one. How cute is that, you guys? The coloration on these are just so cool. They're so dark and deep, and oh, I just love them. So I'm really excited for this one. This is a lot smaller plant and it's not doing as well as like the other one that I got, but I think with my care it will do very good. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. So yeah, those are the 3 babies I got at Trader Joe's recently. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Did you pick up any of their mini plants? They also have some in little owl pots that I will pick up if I see them, but I have not seen them and I'm so bummed about it. So let me know if you guys got those ones because they're so cute as well. And I think these were so cheap. I honestly didn't even look at the price because Trader Joe's is so affordable that it was probably like $2.99 or $3.99. Like there's no way they were more than that. So that's a great deal. Just for the pot itself would be worth that. So to get a baby plant with it is so cool. So yeah, with that all being said, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe for more Trader Joe's plant hauls, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.